Welcome to the TV King channel, cutting the cord since 2002. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Seren version 3 on Kodi, step by step. Seren is one of the most powerful and reliable add-ons available for movies and TV shows. Because Seren is a premium add-on choice, it requires a little more configuration than other options that will allow it to function to its full capabilities. In order to use Seren, users must integrate a premium resolving service such as Real Debrid, All Debrid, or Premiumize. This is the best way to get the high-quality links. With these services integrated, Seren provides a streamlined viewing experience for video-on-demand content that plays without any buffering. If you don't have Kodi installed, there is a link below this video in the description that will guide you through it. Now, if you have Kodi installed, let's get into the install of Seren. Launch the Kodi app, then click Settings. Select the system icon. If it isn't already enabled, click the toggle to turn on unknown sources. Click Yes. Return to the System menu and open File Manager. Select Add Source. Click None. Type Nixgate's URL and click OK. You can also use the alternative URL. Pause the video at any time between steps to slow this video down. Input a name for the media source, such as Packages, and click OK. Return again to the System Settings page and open Add-ons. Choose Install from zip file. Select Packages or whatever else you used as the name of your media source. Click nixgates.repository.zip. The Nixgates repo add-on installed message then displays. Click Install from repository. Choose Nixgates repo. Select Video Add-ons. Choose Seren. Click Install. When you see this message, click OK again. In the corner, Seren Kodi add-on installed message will appear. You have successfully installed Seren on your Kodi device. But we are not done yet, as there is some configuration required in order to play content. We must authorize an external provider that will scrape sources for streaming links. This is something that is becoming more popular with Kodi add-ons and is a fairly simple process as outlined. From the home screen of Seren, choose Tools. Click Provider Tools. Choose Manage Provider Packages. Click Install Package. Select Web Location. Type the following URL exactly as it is listed here and click OK. Click Install. Click OK. Select Close. Go back to the page where you can enter the Open Settings menu option again. Hover over Playback and change to Source Select. If you would like to choose the source to play, then click OK button on right. Hover over Scraping and change Preferred Cloud Location to whichever service you are using or prefer, then click OK button on right. Go to Scraping Minimum Sources and change to 20 to display more sources to choose from. The higher the number you set, the longer it will scrape for sources. I personally set this to 20. Once you have Seren installed and external provider packages enabled, we can authorize a premium resolving service. From the Seren main menu, select Tools. Choose Open Settings menu. Click the toggle to enable Premiumize or whatever debrid of your choice. If you are using another service, you will choose the toggle for that option. Choose Authorize your debrid service. You are then provided with an authorization code. Make note of this code. Enter your code at the following link of your provider login. After authorizing, click OK. That's it. You can now enjoy this awesome add-on and all the features it provides. Below are some optional extras for the Seren Kodi add-on. Integrate Trakt users can also authorize this service within the Seren Kodi add-on. Doing so will allow you to sync and scrabble your content across numerous platforms and devices. Go back to the home screen of Seren Kodi and click Tools. Select Trakt Sync Tools. Choose Yes. You are then provided with a Trakt authorization code. Go to Pull trakt.tv/activate and type in the code that appears on your screen. Click OK when Seren has successfully paired with Trakt. Seren has numerous advanced features and settings that make it a top-tier add-on choice. One of these includes the Smart Play option that will automatically play the next episode of the season for any TV show. This is a fabulous way to enjoy a seamless viewing experience just as you would with popular apps and APKs. From the Home menu, select Tools. Choose Open Settings menu. Scroll down to Playback and make sure Smart Play is enabled. Adjust the minimum seconds left before showing data prompt to your preferred time. Click OK. You will then see the next episode prompt at the end of TV show episodes. Seren setup is now complete. Set back and enjoy. Make sure you're using a VPN when using any add-on. We want you to stay safe. Click on the Privado VPN link in the description. Also check Vseebox video review. Click on the link in the description. This TV box has it all: live TV, movies, and TV shows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.